Hi, so in this video, we are going to have a short training on VideoScribe. So recently we had a session in our daily meeting on how to create whiteboard animated videos using VideoScribe. So VideoScribe is one of the technique for creating video lectures. Okay. It is not the only default option for creating all the lectures, but depend on the scenario where the teachers wants to explain some specific topics to the students. They can use VideoScribe. Now I believe like if you might know what is VideoScribe, right? If you don't know, you can just go to this VideoScribe channel and you can understand. So let me play out this introduction for you.
Do you struggle to keep your content fresh and engaging? Would you like your message to be more sticky? Then you'll love VideoScribe. It's a video creation software tool that enables you to make attention-grabbing videos in minutes. Because if it's engagement you're after, why settle for telling when you should be showing? Imagine combining the power of images, sound, and motion to explain your new piece of tech, concept, or service. Keep all eyes on the prize to seal the deal of the century, or teach how the world works. Simply choose your images or use your own. Add text and voiceover. Select your music from our library, then watch as VideoScribe brings your ideas to life. And just like that, you've joined millions of people worldwide using VideoScribe to get great results in business, education, and social causes. Start your free trial now and make your first video today. No credit card needed.
So there are a lot of other samples of these videos in VideoScribe in this channel, but I'm sure like if you're here watching this video, so you might know what is VideoScribe. In this lecture I'm just going to explain the tricks so that you will understand how exactly you can create your own video. Okay. So you don't need to get confused with a lot of other trainings in this YouTube channel. Of course, you don't need that if you want to become a pro. But to make your basic videos, I'll just explain you the basic tricks. Okay. So let me open this my VideoScribe. Okay. So this VideoScribe is not a cloud-based platform. Okay. You need to download this software in your laptop and you need to log in, and this is not a free software. They give free trial only for 7 days. After that 7 days you have to purchase it, and I've purchased it by paying around some $67 for 1 year. Okay, but I find it good. Apart from that some other fake softwares, I think $67 is worth for this software, so I just paid for that. Okay, now let me tell you, show you like what is the process to build a video. First of all, you need a script. Okay, what you want, what message you want to convey to the users. Okay, see, without these visuals, how we used to convey the stories to others is by saying, right? People used to say the story to others, but if somebody just listen to the story, maybe it's very boring, right? Then there was movies, so you see the complete movie to understand the story. So movie is quite interesting. Now VideoScribe is kind of DIY tool which allows anyone to create their own short movie. Okay, you can create visuals in your story. Now the process is that first of all you need to have a basic script. Same like in the movie, there has to be proper script, that what key the messages you want to convey to the user. So for example, in my case I have taken this script. Okay, this is a script which shows about my platform, Concept Clear. Okay, here I am trying to explain the difference between the Concept Clear and other platforms to my teachers, because most of the teachers are confused what is Concept Clear. So they want to know how my platform is different from others which is available in the market. Okay, so I just wanted to explain this details to my teachers who join my team, right? So I built this is my script. Okay, so I'll read out first script. So first part is that I mentioned that most of the players have made education as a profitable business, whereas we focus on providing effective, efficient and affordable education to everyone in our country. So this is my first message. Okay, so what I will do, like while I say this thing, I want some visuals to appear in front of the user, because I am creating a video, right? It's not only audio. Okay, so this is going to be the audio and this image is going to be the video, and in the video scribe it will be hand drawn as I say this. Okay, it will be hand drawn. Okay, so here you need to notice the timing of this voice as well as hand drawing effect of this image should match. Suppose I take this 10 seconds to say this, so this hand drawing should complete within 10 seconds. That's a key. Okay, that's a key that you need to understand. I'll show you how this happens. Then after 10 seconds maybe I'll take some pause, then I'll tell my second message. Okay, so this, suppose this message takes 5 seconds. Okay, so within 5 seconds this should draw, right? That means this takes 10 seconds, this takes 5 seconds. So this will take this image will take 10 seconds, this image will take 5 seconds. Now the secret is you need to first build an audio file for this, for the left side, for the script that you want to say. Okay, and the tool that you will use for this is Audacity. Okay, so Audacity is also like VideoScribe, but it's a free. So it is this audacityteam.org. From here just click here, I'm a human, like something like that, and then you log in and you can download that the software. Okay, I'll just show you how this, where is the software. So this is the software. Now I have to build an audio file with this complete messages that I want to say. So I will build irrespective of the drawing. I won't even imagine that what images I will draw. So that I will just forget for now and I'll just keep it blank. Okay, I'll just focus on this. So I'll just tell you how I'll build this. Okay, so I open this Audacity. Now in this Audacity I'll just explain you how this works. Audacity is quite simple. I think it's also quite interesting. You can use this to play some, like record your song like karaoke. Okay, so I think it will be quite interesting, but here I am going to use it for my lecture. So how it works, you can see there are few settings. Okay, so this red dot button, this is a record button. Okay, so when you start speaking you have to start recording. Okay, so the important thing is this microphone. Okay, and the this playback volume. So you can see this playback volume is in the middle, but this should be maximum. See this, why this should be maximum? Because whatever you are recording, it should be playback in a nice and clear manner. Okay, so it should record both of this, your microphone as well as playback should be high, so that your audience can listen your voice clearly. Okay, now there are a few other options which I'll explain you as I record. So let me start. Okay, I hit this red button. Most of the players have made education as a profitable business, whereas we focus on providing effective, efficient and affordable education to everyone in our country. They view our students as market segment, whereas we view them as our country's future citizens. They do marketing to show value of their business to investors, whereas we do marketing to show value of our platform to teachers and students. They employ teachers and give them fixed salary, whereas we empower teachers to work as social entrepreneurs where they can earn unlimited based on their effort and skills. Their governance rules are made in closed room along with the members of shareholders, whereas our governance is made by our admin stakeholders. So like this, you can just complete this whole audio file for your script. Okay, I'm not going to do it for my script because I've already completed. You can see whatever I speak, it keeps on recording, right? This is the voice. Now I do, like, suppose in case if I want to, like, if there's some disturbance, I want to talk to somebody in between, so I can do pause, and then when I start recording, so it will start recording again. Okay, so now if I start recording, where is it's not started recording. Yeah, so now if I start recording, it will start again, right? So you can do unlimited pause in between, so whenever you start recording, it will start from there. Okay, so now I take pause, and then this is a square button, so finally I stop it. Okay, when I stop, so this is my whole video file is the audio file is ready. Now if you can just scroll and you can see this is your audio file. You can even record your song to test it. Okay, that will be quite interesting. So this is my audio file. Now if I'll just maximize this, and I will use this zoom out option to see like my file. Okay, this is a file. Now there is one technique in this audio recording, because sometimes there are background noise. Okay, you would like to remove the background noise. So the trick is that most of the people who record the music or something using this kind of tool, they start this audio with some silence. Okay, why they record silence? Because silence will have noise, background noise. So this software should know what is your background noise, right? So when you click here, this silence period, and go to effect, and go to this noise reduction. Okay, so when you hit this get noise profile, it will capture the background noise. Okay, now it has captured the background noise. Okay, now you have to remove this background noise from the whole video. Okay, so what you do, you just select all from here, and then again go to this effect, noise reduction, and you click this. The reduce is already clicked, you just click OK, applying noise. Now complete noise is removed. If you can see before there was some distractions here, but now it looks very clear. So that means all the background has been reduced, all the background noise has been reduced. Now if you want to do some edits, like suppose there's some disturbance in between, like suppose this I think there's some disturbance, so let me check. Not here, maybe here, suppose. So I just select it. It's very easy. You just drag it, select that area and play. So now if I start recording, it will start again, right? So you can do unlimited. So you can see my script stops somewhere. Let me check this. It keeps on recording, right? This is the voice. Now I do like, let me check where I stopped. I've already completed. I think it stopped somewhere here. Okay, I'm not going to do it for my script because maybe somewhere here for your script. Okay, I'm not going somewhere here, I think audio file. Okay, so I think I completed my script here. This whole I'm not getting where. So like this, you can just complete this whole okay, so that means I completed this audio is made by our admin stakeholders. Okay, so you can notice that by here my audio has been completed. Now this is something unwanted which I spoke, right? So I can just select here, and there is a scissor, so I can just cut it. Okay, so this is my voice file. Let me check this. What is this? Most of the players have made education as a profitable. Okay, cool. So this whole is my audio file. So this is my audio file. I have to export it to MP3. Okay, now I go here, export as MP3. Okay, I can choose any folder where I will export. Suppose here in the C drive I have created a folder called videos. Okay, now for demo purpose. Okay, so this is going to be the voice of my script. Now it's clear, right? So I'll just close this one. If I want to save this project, I can save so that I can resume it later. I don't want to save this, so my scripting is complete. Okay, now you'll understand how I can use this script in building the video. So the second thing is this. As I continue with my message, I want to draw the some videos, right? So now I can go to this video scribe and click create new scribe. Okay, so I want to show the comparison. Okay, so what is my message here? The first message: most of the players have made education as profitable business, whereas we focus on providing effective, efficient and affordable education to everyone in our country, right? So I have two things. First, I have to show something, what are other players, then I have to show what we are doing. Okay, so on the left side I will just have to create a category. So in the video scribe there is an option of text, so I'll just write the text, other players. Okay, I'll drag it here, and then I have to set the camera, because if I don't set this camera, then this will occupy the complete screen of my laptop. I don't want to do that. I want to show it in one corner. Okay, so the camera. So the trick of this, why we set the camera, because the whole canvas, what you see here, is the camera focus. Now I want this other player's text to appear in the one corner, right? So this should be the camera position. That's why I have to set the camera. Now I have to create a category for my platform, concept clear. Okay, and I'll just keep it aside, and again I set the camera. Okay, now I have to start with my message. Okay, first of all, actually let me check when I wrote this text. Okay, so I don't want to hand draw this text. Okay, because my hand drawing should start with some visual, so I'll just animate a 0, and this is a trick. These three timers, this animate, pause and transition, these are the things that you need to understand. I made everything 0 because I don't want to animate them. Okay, the timer can be 0, so they will directly appear when I start. Okay, now animation will come for the first statement, this most of the players, right? So my message is that most of the players have made education as a profitable business. So as I say this one, so let me also open the file what has captured this demo 1. Now I will just open this file with software like Groovy Music. You can use any other music player. My objective is just to understand most of the players have made education as a profitable business. Okay, you can see in 7 seconds this completes as a profitable business, right? So within 7 seconds I have to draw this. I have to say when my audience is listening to this sound, they will also visualize something, right? So other players has made education as a business. So how do I draw? I mean I want to put some visuals, right? So this is the option, add new image for visuals. So for business, you can see, you can decide what you want to show to the users. Okay, I think for me I can just show this money as a diagram to show that people has made education as a profitable business. So this timer, remember that it was 7 seconds, right? So I have to set the timer as 7 seconds. So by default all the images comes with 8 seconds of animate and half seconds of pause and 1 second of transition. So I have to reduce this, right? So where I can cut this time, maybe I can cut half seconds from transition and pause, it's fine, half seconds, or maybe I can even remove, it's fine, half seconds fine, and then I'll remove. So you can see this start is 0 and the end is 8. Okay, but I want to reduce it to 7, right? So I'll just reduce some more from animate. Now you can see the start time is 0 and the end time is 7 seconds, which means that when I complete my voice in 7 seconds, this will be drawn. And how this will be drawn? Like this. Right, so this looks good. Now if I want to, anyway, so I'll just go for the next thing. What is my next voice? Whereas we focus on providing effective, efficient and affordable education to everyone in our country. Okay, so along with the pause, it's coming to 15 seconds. Okay, now as I speak for the remaining 8 seconds, I want to draw something, right? So what is my message? I said that we focus on making education as effective, efficient and affordable to everyone in our country, right? So my message saying that this. So what can be the visual for this message? Okay, so the visual, let me check in the library. So VideoScribe has complete library of images. It's their own library. So when I pick any image, so that image will have a default animation period of 8 seconds. Okay, now to show that that what we have done for what we are doing for the country, maybe this image is good, right? See why I'm getting this image in the start, because I've already done this training 2-3 days back and I've used this image, that's why it's coming here. Otherwise if you want to search an image, you can go to this category. Suppose if you want to search an image for money, you can go here. If you want to search money, image for people, like some characters, you can go here. If you want to search image for some scenery, you can go here. Okay, so it's up to you, like in your lecture what image you want to put. Okay, you can put that image. Okay, so this image is default animate is 8 seconds. Now you can see on the right side this complete time is 16.5. okay, whereas in my case, in my audio, it is 15 seconds, right? So I want to reduce this to 15 seconds. Now where I can deduct, maybe I can deduct half seconds from here and 1 seconds from here. Okay, so that this 15 to 15 does complete match. So this will have a smooth voice to visuals effect. Okay, like this. Now so same like this, you can keep on building your complete story. Now suppose how I move this, you just click this mouse on the canvas and move it. Okay, and one important thing that I forget, so when I click this one, I forget to set the camera. So I will set the camera. If I don't set the camera, I'll show you how it will appear. See, even for the dollar, I didn't set the camera. Even for this, I didn't set the camera. Now let me show you if I set the camera, then how it appears. I set the camera for money, I set the camera for people. Now I'll play. See, if I set the camera, that means the camera is set to the complete canvas, and it will draw from the same place. So suppose if you're drawing something and you're telling something, if you want to take out the whole picture and show something else, so you don't set the camera. But if you want to like keep on drawing the same thing in the same canvas, then you can set the camera. And this canvas you can move anywhere, like you can move this left side, you can move it this left side, right side, you can move up, you can move down, so it's unlimited, you can move anywhere. But in my case I have to move it down, because I have to keep on saying new things for my script. Now next message is this: they view our students as market segments, whereas we view them as our country's future citizens, right? Let me hear from here. They view our students as market segment. So you can see this for 3 seconds I said this. So while I say this for 3 seconds, I have to draw something, right? So they view them as market segment. So what I can draw? Let me check. So I can draw this. Okay, I can just first of all I can reduce the size like this, and I can put it here and set the camera. Okay, then check this voice, whereas we view them as our country's future citizens, right? So then now it's 23, right? So future citizens, so for future citizens I can use this image. All right, now this animation is should be 3 seconds, as you know, so I have to reduce it to 3 seconds. All right, so this is reduced to 3 seconds, and then with this it should be 23. So you can see now it's 27.5, so I have to reduce this to 23. I can reduce half seconds from transition and some seconds. Okay, so now you can see this my total timing. See, when you click on any image, okay, it tells you on which seconds it started and which seconds it ended. So it started from 18 seconds and it ended on 23 seconds. So this will tell you that 23 is the last time period of their whole animation, right? So this will tell you to match your animation with your voice. You can see this, our voice file, it has completed till 23, right? So that's all you need to remember. You just need to keep on matching the times. Okay, now I'll just show you once you complete this whole video as well as audio, what you need to do. You need to upload, like once you're done, okay, you can just upload. So how you upload? You can click on this voiceover option, and then there is an option, this import mp3. Okay, click here, and then you go to the file. Actually, where is that mp3 file? It is under users. Yeah. Concept clear, sorry. Oh, there is sorry, there is a file, let me check. Okay, let me check where I save that file. It would be in VideoScribe folder. Oh, okay, my file is here, demo1. Okay, so this is a file. Okay, I just upload this. Okay, now the file is uploaded. Now I'll play it from start. Most of the players have made education as a profitable business, whereas we focus on providing effective, efficient and affordable education to everyone in our country. They view our students as market segment, whereas we view them as our country's future citizens. They do marketing to show value of their business to India. So you can see there is one mistake I did. I didn't set the camera for this boy, right? So I'll just do it here. And there was some slippage of timing in this image somewhere, because in my voice I started with some blank. Okay, and although I tried to align, but there was some slippage, so that you can correct it by properly checking the details of each and every voice along with the image. Okay, so that's how you need to build, and then you have to upload. So once you're done, once your voice as well as this is done, you have to upload this video in YouTube, right? So this is your lecture. So to finish this video, what you can do, there is this share button. Okay, you can add a logo of your brand. Suppose you want to put some logo, you can just put any logo here, whatever you want. Okay, I have put this our concept clear logo here, and actually this sharing to any social media is not supported. So the only thing what you need to do is click this download button. Okay, now there is a file already exists, will be overwritten. Let me check. Demo1. Okay, I've just renamed this my lecture to lecture video. Okay, something. So it will start downloading. So this will take some time because it does some rendering at the back end, and it will take almost like 20 minutes, for 20 to 15 minutes to complete that video. So that's all. That's a trick to complete this, create a video using this VideoScribe. So I hope you all understand the basic steps. Apart from this, there are many trainings online. If you go to YouTube, when you type YouTube tutorial, you will get a lot of trainings. Okay, in your own language you can get in Hindi, Tamil. Okay, I suggest if you want to get detailed training, then this you can go for this session by this Sara Diwar. There's a complete playlist. Okay, so you can see there's a complete library of trainings. You can complete this in 1 or 2 hours, and then you can start using this. And again, once again I have to say you, this is not a free software, although you can create a free video using a 7 days trial. But in case if you want to upgrade yourself to the pro version, if you want to create a very good animated videos, you can go for the paid version. It's up to you. Okay, then I hope this training was useful. If you need any other training on anything, let me know, or you can join the daily meeting to give the feedback or ask any clarifications. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.